Suraj ji, I've worked with a lot of directors from the very beginning of my career who have all been very creative, talented, successful. सूरज बरजातिया के साथ काम करके एक बहुत अद्भुत एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. राजश्री बैनर के साथ काम करके one director who has given always his heroines equal importance on screen. इस वजह से मैंने जब भी बचपन में उनके फिल्में देखी थी, I always loved his work, I loved his heroines, of course Prem in all his movies. So it was like a long cherished dream to work with Suraj Barjatya. I remember dancing on the songs of Maine Pyar Kiya as a kid. I remember watching Hum Aapke Hai Kaun back to back twice in the theatre when I was in school. So today, I still cannot fathom the reality that I have worked with him as his actress or as his heroine. You know, maybe when you chase a dream for so long, when it comes true, you still don't come to terms with that reality. So it's been that kind of an experience for me. But I'd like to say that so much of dedication, so much of interest towards his work. He would come to the makeup van half an hour before we got onto the set. He would tell us what happens 5 scenes before, what happens 2-3 scenes later. So you exactly know where you stand in the script. You must have had a late night, you must have had no time to read the script, no time to prepare yourself for the body language and all that. But the best part is here is one director who comes to the set having your homework done too. And this is true not only for the main characters, not only for the hero and heroine of the film, but also for each and every character, whether it's a Muneem ji or whether it's anybody who just has a 2-minute appearance in the movie. So that kind of interest and dedication I haven't seen in many directors, so it's very inspiring. बिल्कुल नहीं, उन्होंने कभी मुझे नहीं डांटा. इनफैक्ट वंस आई रिमेंबर मेरे बालों में कुछ कंटिन्यूटी जर्क था एंड इट वाज लाइक अ डायर सिचुएशन. मुझे सेट छोड़ के जाना ही पड़ा एंड आई हैड टू डू सम थिंग्स टू माय हेयर सो दैट इट लुक्स सिमिलर टू द कंटिन्यूटी. और मैंने जो अंदाज़ा लगाया था टाइम फ्रेम का, उस टाइम फ्रेम से कुछ ज़्यादा टाइम लगा एंड आई वाज रिक्वायर्ड ऑन द सेट. And as a rule, when you commit yourself, when you're supposed to be on the set, मैंने कभी ऐसे नहीं किया है कि मैं सेट छोड़ के कहीं पे गई हूँ. बट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम मेरे साथ एक सिचुएशन हुई जहाँ पे मैं सेट पे दे वांटेड मी, द शॉट वाज रेडी, किसी एक आर्टिस्ट को निकलना था जल्दी और मैं नहीं थी सेट पे. But I think any other director would have just lost his cool. And for somebody like Suraj ji, who gives everything just for that one shot, I mean, he could have easily shouted at me or made me feel really, really bad. But he was so cool about it. And as soon as I came, there were no questions asked. I was ready with all my answers and all the sorry and all the excuses, but there were no questions asked. There was a total disconnection from all that tension, and we went completely into what I should be doing and now where do we begin with. So that's a quality I really appreciate in him. And very few directors have that sensitivity and that purity, when they deal with people, whether it's the way they perceive and look at relationships, and especially in this film.